So here we are in Dover. Had a little road trip down from the Midlands. Thought I'd come see the Disney Magic ship. So let's just show you a little bit of Dover. So here we are at the end of the pier, a little bit closer now to the Disney Magic. Let's see how good we can get it with the GoPro. As you can see, you can get pretty close to it. Great place for photo opportunities. Okay, I've just switched cameras so we can take a closer look. So Disney Magic was the first cruise ship owned and operated by Disney Cruise Line. She has 11 decks, a passenger capacity of over 2,700 and a crew of around 945. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video. If you have, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.